Hello friends, welcome to my channel Madoshabuja's Kitchen. First we need 2 tablespoons of poppy seed, 5 to 6 kaju badam and 2 green chili. This is a new recipe. Later we will know the name of this recipe. So first make a smooth paste. See the paste. Now we will cut the cauliflowers into small pieces. Just look the video, you can easily understand the type of cutting. See the small pieces. Rest of the cauliflower we will cut like this way. Now we will switch on the flame and boil some water with 1 tablespoon of salt. We will blanch the vegetables. First we will blanch some peas for 4 minutes. See the water is not boiled fully. 80% done. So we will add the peas now. After 4 minutes, we will take out the peas from water. On the same water, we will add the cauliflower and boil it for 7 to 8 minutes. When the cauliflower will boil 80%, we will take out from the water. See, the cauliflower is already done, 80% cooked. So now we take out from water. What we need for masala, take some ginger paste and add 1 tablespoon of jeera powder with 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and add 1 tablespoon of water and mix it nicely. Now take a pan and heat the pan and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. When the oil is heated, then we fry the cauliflower until the brown spot will come. It will take little bit of time, so keep your patience and fry it on high flame. Remember, fry the cauliflower on the high flame. See the close up on the cauliflower. See, the brown spot will come slowly. So we will fry it for little more. See, this type of brown spot will come each of the cauliflower. It will take some time. See, now the cauliflower is ready. So now keep aside. See how the brown spot is already done. So keep aside. See, on the same pan we will add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and also add 1 tablespoon of ghee. When the ghee is melted, we will add the wholesome garam masala, that is half pinch darchini, 2 elaichi and 4 to 5 cloves. Now fry little bit Then we will add 2 bay leaves. Tear the bay leaves and then add it. After 2 to 3 seconds, we will add 2 red dry chilies. Now saute it for a while and then we will add 1 tablespoon of jeera. When the jeera is crackled, we will add 1 chopped tomato and fry it for a while. When we add the tomato, we always use 1 pinch of salt so that the tomato will fry very quickly. Now we will add the masala, that is ginger, jeera and red chili paste, and saute for a while. Fry the masala very nicely so that the oil leaves the masala. The tomato is look like a paste. See the close view of this masala, and now we will add just little bit of water. Now we will add the poppy seed paste from the jar, and after that we will add some water on the jar and mixed with the masala. See, we will add little bit of water. And now fry the masala very nicely so that the oil leave the masala. Add salt here as required. Everyone has different taste, so add salt as per your choice. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now mix it. See the oil leave the masala. Now we will add our key ingredients, that is 1 cup of milk. You can also add saffron with the milk so that the taste will increase. Now we will add some kishmish and add the peas. Now mix it. And now we will add the fried cauliflower. Mix gently, otherwise the cauliflower can break, so mix it very slow hand. Now add little bit of water and cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and mix it up again and give a quick stir fry, and then again cover it for 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we open the lid and add 1 tablespoon of kevra water. It will give a smell, nice smell. Mix gently, and then we will add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix gently. And now cover it for a while so that the aroma will spread all over the curry. See, after open the lid, our curry is ready. So friend, please suggest me what I can give the recipe name of this recipe. Please comment in my video and please suggest me what I can give the name of this recipe. This is a game also. Please participate in this game. Thank you friends. Keep watching and keep supporting me. You can serve the curry with roti and paratha. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and comment and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.